it's Lisa Olson. I'm with the Heart of Lacrosse Comedy Troupe.
And I'm Tracy Balzer from the Heart of Lacrosse.
We want to thank Explore Lacrosse because they created a fantastic look at the Coulee region with their Best of Lacrosse County online poll.
Yeah, if you log on to the address at the bottom of your screen here, you get a chance to vote for your favorite parts of lacrosse in over 200 categories. You don't have to fill them all out, but it's your chance to be heard.
We have no idea how the two of us were nominated in the funniest comic category, but we want to sincerely say thank you.
Yeah, it's so great to be in the company of such funny people, honestly.
It is, and we also want to encourage you to vote in all the categories, and when you come across Heart of Lacrosse as the best comedy troupe, well, lay down a little check mark, won't you? We really appreciate Explore Lacrosse and all that they're doing for the county.
And if you happen to see our names, it is humbling just to be there with all those great nominees.
It's like we won already just being nominated.
Get some white stuff.
Ooh.
Seriously, you guys, she's older than vaudeville, for criminy sake.
What?
We just want to thank Explore Lacrosse for putting together this great Best of Lacrosse County survey and, highlighting great things in the Coulee region.
Make your voice be heard.
And winning is not important.
No! Just get on there and vote. This is your chance, and it ends July 31st.
That's not a thing.
July 31st?
No.
Is it 32nd?
No. No.
I'm voting for you, Tracy Johnson.
That's also not right.
Whatever. Just vote.